We're in another brand new Weatherford community, and we're going to see some homes that are a little bit in the higher price point range. They're in the 700 range, and they are gorgeous on 2-acre home sites. They are about 1 mile or less to Lake Weatherford. I would love to show you this home that they just finished. Let's go see.
Okay, first of all, this is the drive going to Parker Ridge, the neighborhood that we're going to. Is this not gorgeous? This is Lake Weatherford. Not a huge lake, but a great lake for kind of playing and doing some kayaking or paddleboarding on. Okay, this is a Clarity home. They have 3-car garages out here. Like I said, it's a 2-acre lot on all of these. I love these big double doors up here. Clarity makes a really pretty, classic, simple home. This one has an office. It's just under 2,700 square feet. So the homes aren't huge, which is great. They're manageable, great houses, very well designed. I love the beams on the ceiling here. Look at this beautiful open kitchen. The granite counters, big old farm sink, and gas range. And then check this out. It's a butler's pantry. Love this because, for one, storage of food and all the things, but also you can put all your appliances back here and it doesn't mess up your counters. Okay, this particular model has a great big dining room. I also like the dark wood in here. What do y'all think of that? 3-car garage. One is sort of off to the side, so you could put toys or lawnmowers or whatever in there. Half bath in this particular model. And then we have a laundry room. Love the cabinets. This house has so much natural light in it. I think that's what shocked me the most, was just the light in every room. Beautiful big shower. Look at this closet. It is so big. This home right here is listed right now at $699,000, which is amazing to be in Parker County on 2 acres. This one is zoned Weatherford Schools. It's really super close to the lake. The brand new Costco is just about 5 minutes away, and you're 10 minutes to downtown Weatherford. Really super easy access to Interstate 20 from here as well. You know, some of these neighborhoods we go to can be a good 20 minutes drive off of the interstate, which makes a commute to Fort Worth or Dallas kind of hard. This neighborhood is about 12 minutes north of Interstate 20. I like that there is hard floors in these secondary bedrooms, big old closets, Jack and Jill bathroom. Clarity also does a really nice job with tile and floor colors, and I just think their homes look so pretty. All right, we're going to go out and we're going to see another model of these Clarity homes, but beforehand I want to show you real quick a lot that's available that I love. I just drove up to it. It's on the cul-de-sac. Also, Weatherford has this really nice trail system around the lake. So we can go over here. It's got some picnic tables, jogging paths. I can't remember how long it is. I have walked on it and I spent an hour walking on it. This actually is kind of like a swamp area that oftentimes has water and the bridge floats. Right now we're kind of in a dry end of summertime.
We are going to go check out another Clarity home in this subdivision. There are 3 right now that are just about ready, and these homes start around $700,000. Most of them are really close to that price point, and I just can't believe you get all of this house with 2 acres in Weatherford right by the lake for just $700,000.
Okay, this one you can see a little bit better how it's going to be with grass and landscaping. Again, a 3-car garage, has the walkway up, but it's already landscaped, so you can see how pretty it will be. This one's a little bit more expensive, not too much. It's $705,000. It's got 4 bedrooms and it's a little bit bigger than the other model. So it's laid out a little bit differently. The fireplace is over here on the side instead of in the back, and it's got a big sliding door instead of those two doors on either side of the fireplace. Huge island. I love this. Otherwise, it's pretty much the same setup as that other kitchen, but this one has a little bit larger pantry and it's got a sink on that counter. I want to know what you think of these large pantries like this. Do you feel like it's great and you would love it, or does it feel like overkill? Okay, so this model also has a little bit lighter, kind of an oak floor, as opposed to that darker stain in the other house. And this one also has a 3-car garage, same setup as the other one. One of the cool things about being in Parker County and having all this land available is that you can have a 1-story home. I think that's probably the largest benefit of living out here, besides that there's low taxes and the schools are great and the crime is low. That's so many things that makes Parker County great. But you can get these 2-acre lots, 1-story big houses with 4 bedrooms, and you're still under $1 million, which you could never find in the city. Pretty tray ceiling in this one. This primary bath is so beautiful with all the light. Separate vanities in this one. I like the blue cabinets. Hello. A match with my dress on today. Okay, and then another big old closet. Also, y'all should know one of my pet peeves is I hate showing toilets in videos. I think it's gross. Okay, let's go back across and see how the other side of the house is set up. So far, I feel like it's pretty similar to the layout of the other one, but here we come over to this side of the house and it's very different. This one has 2 front bedrooms. Of course, if you don't need 4 or 5 bedrooms like this house has, you can use one as an office. And then this one has a hall bath that's shared. I think this tile is so pretty in here. I may have to steal this design for one of my bathrooms. All right, back out into the hallway to the 4th bedroom or 3rd bedroom over here on the side. And then we get this bonus space back here. So cool. A 3rd full bathroom to be used for a guest. So this bedroom, it's really a 5th bedroom. It's got a closet, it's got windows, but I would probably use it as a game room, guest room, office. Since it's kind of back here quiet, I would use it for one of those other things, I think. All right, let's step outside. This neighborhood is pretty small. It's really just about one or 2 streets with a cul-de-sac. And this porch is a little bit smaller than that other one, but it also feels very private because it has that side room that kind of makes that private space. Again, these are 2 acres. All right, what did y'all think of these Clarity homes over in Parker Ridge in Weatherford, Texas? I would love to hear in your comments. If you would like a list of all of the new construction homes in Weatherford right now, just send me an email and I will shoot you a list.
If Parker Ridge feels like the space for you, space to roam, space to breathe, then I would love to be your real life roadmap on this journey in Parker County. I am Debbie Bird. Y'all do me a favor and subscribe below for all the videos on homes in Fort Worth, Weatherford, and Aledo. And I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.